Who give money to Sweetscape to go to Manila? It's Mike O. And she asked the neighbor also. Mike O is the one paying her to go to Manila to go. No, Mike O paying her to go to Cebu to report Big E and immigration. And also to go Amudia, something like that. And to get Fisher. So, it's Mike O. Then, I'm sorry Mike O, you cannot stop your best friend. This is it you like to do. I will voice out everything because you cannot stop here. Sorry, but I'm sorry. So, Mike O is the one. Mike O is, for me, Mike O is really good person. Mike O don't want to involve, but I don't know why it's happened like this. So, this bitch keeping talking about we go to police station. Yes, we go to police station. I report because of the safety of my family. You're fucking bitch, you don't understand what I'm doing? And why you go with me? Because you are the one also push me to go there. You are the one also. You are the one push me to go to DSWD. Yes, I don't tell my partner that I go there because I know he will be get mad because I don't want he involved this problem because I know he don't know nothing. Even though your naked picture there, I don't tell him. Until last night, I told him about and what she did. He kept laughing. He said, what the heck?